Gold is gold. You cannot say Hindu gold, Muslim gold, Christian gold. That is not possible. That is not possible. That is called Koitava dharma, cheating dharma. Gold is gold, pure gold. Therefore, Bhagavad says, Dharmant sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Dharma means the order or the law given by God. That is dharma. This is the simple explanation. If you want to know what do we mean by dharma, then dharma means dharmant sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Just like law. Law means which is given, sanctioned by the governor. You cannot make your law at home. You cannot say the law given by the government or by the governor, I don't care for it. I shall make my own law. So that is not possible. That will never be accepted as law. You can make your law. Similarly, if you manufacture dharma without any reference to the authority, that is not dharma. That is cheating religion. Dharma projita koitava. So therefore the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, what he is speaking, mamekang saranam, that is dharma. All other things are cheating. And when Krishna says, mamekang saranam braja, he does not say to any particular community or any country or any nation. He speaks to everyone. Sarvajonishu kaunteya sambhavanti murtaya tasang mahajjani brahma ahanga bija padapita. He says, I am the seed-giving father of all forms of life. Krishna does not say that I am speaking to Indian or the Hindus. No. Krishna is speaking to everyone, to his every son. It doesn't matter whether he is white or black or blue, it doesn't matter. These are skin disease. Krishna says that we don't take this body as yours. Asmin dehe, dehinasmin jathadehi, kaumanajum. This transformation of the body, that is natural. But within the body, the part and parcel of Krishna is there. That we have to understand. That's the beginning of Bhagavad Gita. We have to understand what is there within the body. That is the beginning of spiritual education. Unfortunately, the whole world is going on under the impression that I am this body. I am Indian, I am European. That is condemned in the Shastra. Jasyatma buddhi punapi tridhatu sadhik kalatra disubhoma ijjadhi jatirtha buddhi salilena karihichi janesu avijnesu saeva gokha. Go means cow and khara means ass. So jasyatma buddhi punapi tridhatu. This bag of three dhatus, kapha, pitta, vayu, if one takes it, that I am this body, I am Indian, I am American. So Shastra says, he is not even human being. Sayeva gokha. So this Krishna consciousness movement is very, very important from this angle of vision that everyone is thinking this body as he is. Nobody understands that he is within this body. Just like we are within this is dress. I am not this dress. This is the primary education of spiritual life. Unfortunately, it is very much lacking. And now you can see practically that these European and American boys, they are all young men, but they have forgotten the bodily relations. We have got in our institution Africans, Canadians, Australians, Europeans, Indians, but they do not consider with reference to this bodily concept of life. They live as eternal servant of Krishna. That is the instruction given by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jiver Sarup hoy Nitya Krishna Das. So actually, if we want to be happy, then we have to accept the principle of Srimad Bhagavatam, Jato Bhakti Radho Khaji. Bhakti comes out of love. You cannot make one forced to love you. It comes automatically. That automatic love is there in everyone's heart for Krishna. That is stated in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakti Sadha Kavunay Savanadi Suddha Chitte Karaya Uday. Uday means it is awakened. Everyone has got love for Krishna within the heart. That is nature. But that love is distributed in different ways. How? Jasyatu buddhi kunapeti dhatake sadhik kalatradisu bhomai jadhik. This love has been distributed family-wise, community-wise, nation-wise, country-wise, like that. So this love has to be concentrated, converted to be love of Krishna. That is equal. Then everything is perfect. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching, and he practically Krishna Prema Pradhaya. To develop love for somebody, that requires very elaborate process. It is not, because we are in the darkness. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Manushyanam sahaseshu kaschin jatati siddhai, jatatam api siddhanam kaschin betimam tat. So we cannot understand even Krishna. What is Krishna? Actually, there are so many malinterpretation about Krishna. I do not wish to discuss because they have been made mistaken by big leaders. So people cannot understand about Krishna. What is Krishna? And what to speak of loving Krishna. That is very difficult. But Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he distributed this love of Krishna. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Nityananda is standing before you, and he delivered many sinful persons to the transcendental position of love of Krishna. Srila Narottam Das Thakur has sung, Brajanda Nandana Jai Sochi Suto Hoilo Sei, Balaram Hoilo Nita.